Welcome to my channel, and today's video is going to be on the Juvia's Place Wahala palette. And here's what the inside of the palette looks like. This has been a palette that I've wanted for a long time, and it finally, it's been on sale a couple times, but this time it was the most discounted that I've ever seen it, so I went ahead, picked it up, and I'm excited to use this palette. So if you love eyeshadow palettes, affordable makeup, you're in the right place. Please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so there are a lot of really pretty shades in this palette. The possibilities are endless, and I'm just really excited to finally dip into this palette. I actually just got it a couple days ago, so haven't been waiting too long after I got it, but it's a palette I've been wanting for the last couple of years. So I want to start out with the shade Over Sabi, which is this shade right here. It just looks like a really pretty mustard yellow shade. Let me try and get my hair out of the way as much as I can. And I am a big Juvia's Place fan. Sorry, it's gonna be, I can just tell it's gonna be one of those days like, goodness. But yeah, I'm trying to do my best to really, I was in a good place where I wasn't letting like other people get me down, and then I kind of got out of that place, and I really have to get back there because there are just so many people that I am around that just can really just go off the handle and just be like in such a negative space. And I am like a very sensitive person, so like I feel other people's emotions strongly, and I just can't let those ruin my life because I have enough going on that I need to worry about. So that's something I really need to get back to working on. And it really is something you have to be conscious about, and you really have to put a lot of effort into it, to just be like, okay, they can feel what they're feeling. It doesn't mean that it has anything to do with me. Like, it's not anything I've done. It's just they're in that place that I cannot allow myself to go in. And so I have to be like, okay, yeah, because, if they're going to be like that and be in a bad mood, like, that's fine, but I can't let that get to me. Okay. Now I want to go in with the shade. What do I want to do? Let's go with the shade BU, which is this dark purple shade right here. And I have no idea how this is going to look. Like, hopefully it works out, but I'm not even really sure what direction I'm going in with this look. I mean, I kind of had an idea, but I'm not really sure if it's what I really want to do. But like, these shades are beautiful. Juvia's Place has very pigmented shades, and their shimmers are phenomenal. This purple and yellow actually looks really good together. I'm going to go through and blend this out better. This is just kind of like an initial getting the shadows where I want them. so that I could kind of plan out the rest of the look. Okay. I'm just kind of trying to test out some shades to see what I want to go with, and I'm going to try and show these to you guys. I just got like a couple swatched on the back of my hand. So these kind of look duochromy, like one is a more blue purple and then the other two, hopefully you guys can see that okay. This one and this one are more, or no, yeah. This one and this one are more green, and then this one is the more blue. Can you see that? So I'm just trying to decide, do I want to go more blue or do I want to go more green? Like, I'm kind of really wanting to do a green, so let's just use one of those. Okay. I'm kind of wanting to do this shade right here, which is Gossip. And let's just see what that looks like. That's pretty, pretty, pretty. Yeah, that looks really, really good with the purple. Very, very pretty. Okay, I just want to go back and touch up that purple shade a little bit. Just on that outer corner. Just a little bit to deepen it up. I just noticed there's a black shade. I kind of wish that I would have went in with the black shade first to deepen up this purple. But that's okay. Alright. Now I'm going to take the brush I used for that first shade, that mustard yellow shade, and I'm just kind of going to blend everything in a little better. Okay. Now, for the lower lash line, the lower lash line, I'm going to go in this. Now I'm looking at it, it's either dark purple or a black shade, and it's called Sis, which is right here. It looked black, but then the more I look at it, it looks like it could be just like a deep, deep, deep dark purple. So we'll just put that on right down here, smoke that out pretty good. Okay. I want to go in with that shade that was like that dark bluish purple shade. It's called Power. It's right here. And I'm just going to kind of add that in with that black or dark purple shade, whatever it is. It's like too hard to tell, but I just want to add this in just for like a really cool extra effect. That's really pretty. Okay. Now for that lower inner corner highlight, I'm going to use this purple shade right here that's called Envy. Yeah, that's a really cool look, you guys. Okay, I am going to go do my mascara and I'll be right back. Alright, so I am back and this is the finished look. I absolutely adore this. And I did something different that I have not done in years. I added a liner to my lower waterline, and this is the LA Girl Ultimate Intense Stay Auto Liner, and it is in the shade Totally Teal. And you guys can see that. Here's what that looks like. I'll just put some right here on the back of my hand. Freaking gorgeous color. Really makes my eyes pop. I think I might be doing this more often, but here's what it looks like right there. You guys can see that. The pigment is insane. So far, it's staying pretty well. I was worried because, you know, I haven't worn inner liner, inner whatever that word is I'm looking for, liner in forever. And I was worried my eyes would water too much and it would just come off. But it's actually staying on and it looks really pretty. So I'm super excited about that. And again, this was the Juvia's Place Wahala palette. You guys, this palette is just so good. I love Juvia's Place. So you guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you all so much for tuning in. Please do me a favor, subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Give this video a thumbs up and comment down below if you have something you want to say. And I just hope you're all having a wonderful day wherever you are, morning, night, whatever, afternoon. Just have a wonderful day, stay safe, and I will see you in the next one.